Not gonna lie, guys, we watched it back. That's by far the hardest I've slammed in a while. Oh, watch it in slow motion, guys. It's even better. I'm so sore, guys. We've been going hammer time, and we still have 2 more days of riding. This is our 3rd day. The next day, tomorrow, is actually gonna be a super mellow day, just ripping with Roman. We decided not to take Roman today, do a longer session today, and I'm so sick of eating Wendy's. There's only like a Wendy's near here, so there's not good choices for food, which is kind of catching up to me as well. But we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna touch that snow and I'm gonna right out of it, just so you guys know. Snow and me have this bond where we strap in, and then it's just like energies. I'm actually already starting to feel it. But when I turned this camera on, I was like, ugh. Anyways, that's what trips are about. You ride way harder than you normally do at home, and I'm so hyped about it. Ready for a sick last day? Not last day. Tomorrow's the last day. Sick.
Yeah, we're gonna
full
have
day.
runs.
Oh, today's gonna be sick. We're going live today too, so if you missed the live stream, check it out right here. Live snowboarding. We should probably do that more often. You ready for the last full day of ripping? Let's do it. Oh, it's gonna be sick. Enough talking though, I gotta get my boots on. And I think they're still wet. Do you guys think I can warranty that? That's a straight to the socks. Alright, so we're a couple runs deep, and this place is still so sick. I could literally show up and ride this every day. I wouldn't ride it as much as I'm riding every single day, but this is so much fun. We're filming a how to stop video, so if you have never snowboarded before, you struggle with stopping, that video is gonna help you out. And I'm gonna try to cover very simple things, just so I have it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have a snowboard channel, why not have how to stop a snowboard? Like, so you might be seeing some videos like that, some very basic tutorials this season, but let's cover the basics for some people, because our goal is to help everyone become the best snowboarders possible. So subscribe, because we're gonna make a how-to on like a cool trick. And then also comment down below, guys, what kind of cool trick do you want to learn how to do? Like, let me know in the comments down below, because if I also have already made that video, I'll send you the link. So, how you doing? You good? All right, binding's tight. We're ready to rip. You ready to rip? Let's go. Alright, let's go. Revert, 5 to revert. Guys, you're not gonna believe this, but I figured out how they make the snow. I know where the snow comes from. I know you guys have wondered the same thing. There it is. So I'm assuming they put a snowblower or a gun to that, and then that's how they make the snow. Also, like, you can see the floor of the building right there. We're sitting on about like 4 feet of snow through this whole thing. So they made a lot of snow in here. There it is.
Oh, my man. Big fan. Man's a big fan.
Oh, no way.
What's going on? I thought I recognized your voice.
Heck yeah, what's your name?
Jason.
Jason, nice to meet you, dude.
Too, big fan of your content.
Dude, thanks for watching the video. But that's a backflip in a dome, guys. Backflip, rode out. I'm so happy, guys. Oh, I did not walk into this snow dome thinking I was gonna backflip at all this trip. Let's go. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it was a weird feeling to backflip with a roof over you. I don't know how to explain how that's weird, but like, it just felt so different. Being in the snow dome, I'm really hyped that we got a backflip and we rode away straight. And dude, that feeling of just like, of landing a backflip that's always fire. But we and John were just talking, backflips aren't the hardest trick you can do. Like 360 is technically harder than a backflip. You just gotta have the balls to go. And we're gonna feed off this energy, and then we're gonna get some Gatorade or something, because we got a lot more riding to do, and we're going live today. It's gonna be sick. All right, we're about to go to lunch. We're gonna get a sick line of Greg, because he's progressed so much from day one, but they're raking the box he's gonna start off with, so we're gonna hear in a second. So let's mention today's sticker shout out. We got Mile High Cars and Jars with the red Evolution on the white car. Looking so sick, dude. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, face mask, hoodie, t-shirt, hat, fanny pack, we got literally so much sick merch, guys. It's all linked in the description, and if you do snag any of it, make sure you tag me on Instagram, and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also make sure you follow my Instagram, because I'm posting a bunch of sick extra content. It's kind of like a behind the scenes, more of a like connection with me. I don't know, follow my Instagram, it's pretty sick. And other than that, Greg, are you ready, dude?
Let's send it.
Yeah, dude, let's go. Dude, he started off this trip not having any of not having any of those features, and then dude just put all 3 of them together. Let's go. That was sick. How'd it feel?
It was clean,
dude.
A lot better than yesterday.
Yeah, let's go. All right, we're gonna take a break, and we're gonna get I'm gonna make a review of this place at the end of it, and they have these like waffle bowl thing. I gotta taste their food. Because if you come here, you gotta know what the food tastes like. It's also an excuse for me to eat. It's like a waffle bowl. So you're gonna have to check the review video out to experience that. But we'll see you after all this nonsense. I'm not a big fan of vlogging nonsense. We're here for the riding, guys. All right, we're back from the live stream. That was so heavy. I'm pretty tired from it. And by the way, we're back with Matt. He drove during the live stream, was like, I'm taking an Uber, and he made it. So sick. But we have about 40 minutes left in the day. I'm tired, especially from the live stream. We were sending it, but we gotta finish strong, guys. There's one trick I wanted to get here so far that we haven't done yet. It's a cap 270 on the flat rail. I'm tired, but I think I can send it, so let's do it. If you missed the live stream, check it out. It was sick.
The door is open, I could walk right in. Ooh, but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still. 'Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Feels like I'm stumbling, bring me something lighter. Feels like I'm stumbling, bring me something lighter. Soon as I saw you, I knew.
So that front board, like up the wall to front board, I've never done something like that before. That was really cool. And a little tricky. Let's see if we can get more of the rail.
I don't even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now. 'Cause someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. You said you leaving tomorrow.
We threw one, it was sloppy, but that just means we can get it better. This dude's a madman. Not just shorts, jean shorts.
Oh, the jorts are out.
The jorts are out. He thinks it's summertime. Today is by far the busiest day. That was a good one. Oh. The whole time on the trick, I was like, this is not what I wanted. I tacoed so hard. It's not even Tuesday, it's a Wednesday. I missed it by a day. Oh. We're gonna feel that one tomorrow.
Yeah, you feel it?
Did you see it?
A little bit.
I got bodied.
I saw you like go over and I was like, oh no.
Oh man. We went for the 270. I'm not gonna lie, guys. We watched it back. That's by far the hardest I've slammed in a while. Oh, watch it in slow motion, guys. It's even better. I don't want to give up on the trick though. I think I can still get it. I like full 100% committed to it, but made one mistake. And that mistake, that's what happens on those higher scale tricks. They're kind of unforgiving. It's a little hard too right now because there's like people sliding down boxes on their butts and like, it's just mayhem right now. Fences are getting knocked down. After 8 to 9, I don't think they charge or something because it just gets crazy in here. Let's try it again, but not as the right way. Alright guys, I know that wasn't my cleanest 2-7, But that's a pretty heavy rail for me to do a cab 2-7. And I got wrecked on it not too long ago, but I still went back and did it again. And we're gonna count that. Let's go. They're closing it down early today. All right, so I just checked the text from my wife and she said, can you come back now? I totally missed that for about 30 minutes. We have about 2 or 3 more runs left. And so I think we're just gonna call this one Chipmunk. Gotta make the wife happy. She came out here with us. And yeah, it's not a big deal. We'll give up 2 or 3 runs. We've had a sick day today. And we have to make the wife happy. Thankfully, this is not our last day here. Kind of. Tomorrow we're with Roman, see how he does, and then maybe we'll get some runs for ourselves. But I think I'm physically toasted. This is the first trip where I've gotten 100% of the runs, and that's thanks to Johnathan, and that's why we wanted a full-time filmer. It has really taken my ability to get warmed up and do some tricks and go after it and progress. I've progressed so much on this trip, and I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I know what I've progressed on, and I'm so hyped. The Snow Dome is incredible. I don't know if we'll ever come back, because hopefully next year we're going to New Zealand, Australia, and stuff like that during this time of the year. But guys, we've been snowboarding all summer, just chasing it, trying to make it happen. So thank you for the support. I couldn't do this without you guys, no joke. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Our goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible. We're just gonna keep pumping out how-to videos. We filmed a bunch of extra videos. We got more we're gonna film tomorrow. With that, like the video. We came all the way to New Jersey. Snack some merch, guys. It really does support the channel as well. Or drop donations, anything like that. And as always, guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody.
Yeah, dude.